Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Just want to kind of give an update. We got the building is supposed to be here in the morning. We had to clear out some more of this brush here and get our holes all cleared off. Didn't get a chance to take the big tree down, but that doesn't have to come down now, but that great big pile of brush has to come down eventually. And we've got some piles we've made over here, and there was a big one back there already started. So we have to, the guy told us to go get 40 cap blocks because we've got 28 piers, and he said we're inevitably going to miss some of them. I don't know that that's true, but the guy said he wants 40, so we're going to get them. We can use them for something anyway. Still got to cut down this. He wanted this moved also, and my chainsaw blade is, I believe, going dull, so we're going to run into Rule King and get that either replaced or sharpened and finish that up. I feel like he's got a pretty clear path, and as soon as that he said he's going to need his buggy to go right there, so as soon as that gets cut down, we'll just be sitting and waiting on him. So pretty excited. Anyway, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Never mind. It has arrived, our 16 by 50 Derksen double lofted cabin. Took it to a different town to start with, but they made it. That's all that matters. Oh. The Shabin has arrived. They've got it all leveled up. Excellent job by the team from Derksen. Or actually, I don't think they're contracted through Derksen, but if I can find their name, I'll put it in on the screen here. They've got her all leveled up. Took them a minute to get it in there, and some of my piers weren't perfect, but they did hit every one of them. And we are waiting on Daniel, so Daniel and Sadie can go through the door for the first time. All right, so this is the first look inside of our Derksen 16 by 50 shed. It's not a whole lot going on. I kind of came in last night in the dark and briefly marked out on the floor kind of where the walls were going to start. And we've taken down the little 2x4s they had up for transport. But you can see it's pretty, it feels roomy like this, but when you start putting the chalk marks on the floor, and we ordered a 16 by 50, and I kind of did my drawings on a 16-foot floor plan, but really I only have 14 feet between like the edge of the 2x4s, so little mistake there. And I said in the first video that there was going to be mistakes, so there's another one. Anyway, we got the double lofted barn, and we're going to try to we got a 5-year-old that's going to go up there, Miss Sadie. And then we've got a teenager that's going to try to squeeze up there. And we've told him if he's not happy with it, that we'll try to add on. Or maybe get him another shed. Or our oldest girl is 17, and her bedroom's going to go up there. Our bedroom's going to be back here, and I'm kind of standing in the bathroom. But one of the Facebook groups, somebody mentioned kind of taping things off, and I think that's definitely what we're going to do. So kind of tape it off before we build it and see if everybody's happy, and then kind of go from there. But anyway, just wanted to give you guys a quick walkthrough. Really happy with the construction of it. It seems pretty solid. The guys from TK Transport did an amazing job setting it up. They were very quick and efficient, so did a good job. They took a lot of pride in their work, and it showed. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Each time we kind of add on and build something or make any kind of a decent size change to it, we'll try to make a video out of it. If this is something you're thinking about doing, you can maybe kind of follow along and maybe learn from our mistakes and help us too. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.